So this one's really simple. You've got your leftover ham, of course, your Orzo, which if you are an Instant Pot fan, you can make it really quick in your Instant Pot. We've got some chopped tomatoes, some herbs for garnish, and we'll make a really quick, easy lemon juice and olive oil dressing for it.
Let's do it.
Okay, so first things first, like I said, really simple ingredients. The dressing is just an olive oil and lemon juice, salt and pepper. So we'll combine that into the bottom of a bowl really quick. Okay, and then you'll just whisk that together so it's well combined. All right, looking good. We'll just pour the Orzo in there. We've got some chopped tomatoes. Of course, our ham.
Of course.
We've got some green onion, some parsley, which you can also just garnish at the end. And then just take a big old spoon and stir it together. It just looks pretty. And then typically you'll want to chill this for about an hour just to get it cold, but it's fine room temperature as well because everything's already cooked. And then when you're ready, put some in a bowl. I'm gonna do a little garnish on the top.
And that really could not have been simpler.
Yeah, literally, if you have everything prepped, it's a pretty quick little meal. So, bon appetit. I'm gonna try some.